How to fix snap camera filters not loading. So hi everyone, you may follow up the steps in order to fix it. The number one method you can do is restart the Snapchat app. So close the Snapchat app completely and open it up again, and that should also help you. Otherwise, you can head over and update your app if it is not. Head over to Play Store for that if you're on Android. And from there, go over to the search in the bottom right. And you can do the search at the top and type in Snapchat, and then look out for updates if available for the particular application. If that is already done, you can head over and look out for connection. So go to your device's settings, open it up, and from there, you need to look out for connections and ensure that you're using a proper internet connection, not a weak and unstable one, as that may be causing the kind of issue. And the thing is, you can also fully device restart as well. Look out for restart option, that should help you often fix your temporary software glitches as well. And the main thing is you have given access to the camera, so look out for Snapchat. Long press on it, go to the info section at the top, and then from there you just need to head over and go to permissions and ensure that you have given permissions to camera, which is allowed. Tap on camera and tap on allow, and that should also help you. If none of the steps work, you can try reaching out to Snapchat support team for once, and they should help you out. And that's it. You may follow up the steps. So I hope this video was helpful. Give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips and tutorials.